good morning. Happy ending.
And of course, we have the ever so charming Mr. Alden Richards.
It's a happy morning, guys!
Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect it. And for me, that's David.
Wow.
Gulat ka, di ba?
Good morning po muna sa ating lahat.
Good morning.
Happy World Day.
Good morning, Barbie.
Mami, good morning naman sa inyo. Okay.
And of course to you, really, thank you. I have learned so much from you, and that's such amazing. Alam mo, like, ikaw yung love team ko. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together.
Yes, Chef. Hello. Chef Barbie and I are really grateful na nabigyan kami ng opportunity para maging ambassadors ng McDonald's. Dahil alam naman natin na ang McDonald's ay napakatagal na, di ba? I remember pinanood ko pa yung movie, yung Founder, kung paano nagsimula yung McDonald's. I think yung story nung founder talaga. So, oo, di ba? Grabe yung tindahan niya. So, yun, and to be part of it, sobrang nakakatuwa. And then, nasa World Egg Day tayo, sabi nga ni Alden, dapat hindi natin ma-take for granted yung mga ganitong celebrations. Right? So, yeah, I'm very much grateful.
Can you give some love, everybody, to David?
Siyempre, ang ating supporters,
Oh, yeah,
diba?
to the fans, of
Yes, to
course.
the fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David.
Kumbaga parang treat ko na, reward ko na yun sa sarili ko kasi nga alam ko magtatrabaho ako that day. And so, and now, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin matikman ngayon yung may egg. Kasi ang natry ko lang yung
yung wala ring egg.
curry fillet, golden curry fillet pa lang. So, baka naman po, pero para sa akin, very sacred, kumbaga, ang breakfast. Kasi parang, it starts your day, it starts your mood, ganyan. Parang, dun babase yung magiging energy mo. At least, I'm speaking for myself. Kasi, hindi ako masyado sa hash brown, mas fries. I eat it with fries. And so, ayun, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya.
Ba't kayo natawa sa Let's Think the Egg?
Thank you, Egg. It's making the small, the ordinary things extraordinary.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other half of Barda naman. Let us hear David.
Yes.
David, tell us how your morning goes and how this breakfast meal fits on your on-the-go morning life.
First thing I do in the morning is mag-workout. Tapos, ko yung mga morning routine ko, and then mag-breakfast ako na masarap. Kasi syempre, I feel like kung masarap yung breakfast mo, you're gonna have a good day. Diba? So, ayun, yun ginagawa ko. Wala akong McDo branch, pero...
Coming soon.
Coming soon maybe. Yeah, pag-minsan ko na may taping. Siyempre, minsan nalalate ako. Ay, madalas ba?
Sorry.
So, mag-drive-thru na lang ako para hindi masyadong mali. Diba? So,
I